Hello and welcome back for English practice. This is practice for level 1 English, and today we are reviewing ordinal and cardinal numbers. So let me pull up our lesson. There we go. And we will begin. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are the easy numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 1 million. Those are cardinal numbers. We use cardinal numbers for counting. Okay? A question. How much milk do you drink? 2 liters. 2 liters. This is my cardinal number 2. How many students are in your class? Oh, 12. There are 12 students in my class. If I can count it, I use a cardinal number. These are our easy numbers. Okay, here they are. By now, I hope you can spell these numbers. Some of you still need practice, so give it a try. Can you use your paper and your pen and just write 1, 2, 3? Write the words. Can you do it? All the way to 100. If you have problems, you need to keep practicing. But these are our cardinal numbers. Again, cardinal numbers are for counting. How many students are in the class? How many students are in the class? We can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 students. There are 5 students. How many cars are in the parking lot? How many cars are in the parking lot? Not motos, cars. 1, 2. There are 3 cars. There are 3 cars in the parking lot. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. How many children do they have? How many children do they have? One, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 children. We use cardinal numbers to count money. We answer the question, how much? How much? How much coffee do you drink, teacher? Teacher drinks 3 or 4 cups of coffee every day. How much money does she have? Let's count the money. $5, $10, $11, $25, $50, $60, $65. She has $11.65. How much money does she have? We use cardinal numbers to count. She has $11.65. Ordinal numbers are different. Ordinal numbers show order. There is a first. There is a last. Ordinal numbers show order. Bill won the race. He's number 1. He finished first. He came in first place. We say this guy is in first place. Let's practice some more. The ordinal numbers have a different spelling, especially first. For the number, I'm going to add ST. To say this word and write it, I say first, first. Second, I use the number 2, but I add ND. And I say, and I write, second, second. Third, I use the number 3, I add RD. I write and I say third, third. The first 3 are difficult. You need to remember. Practice spelling. First, 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 first. Second, 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 second. Third, 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 third. You can write these words in your notebook. The next numbers are okay. It's the number and TH. Fourth, fifth. Okay, remember with the word 5, when I need to add an ending, okay, and a goodbye E, and a V changes to F. F. Fifth, 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 fifth. Okay. Sixth, there's my number with the TH. Sixth, easy. Seventh, there's the number and TH. Seventh, seventh. Eighth is a little different. You do not use 2 T's. Okay, so there's only 1 T. Eighth. Ninth, the E is gone. There's no E. And 10th, number 10 with TH. 10th. The ones that you need to remember that might cause a problem are the first 3. First, second, third. Oops. Fifth, there's no V. There is an F. Goodbye V. Hello F. Eighth, there's only 1 T. 1 T. The rest look good. And ninth, there's no E. Goodbye E. Goodbye E. So the ones in green, practice. Those are the problem ordinal numbers for writing. Please write each number 5, 10 times. Practice, practice. Here is the good spelling of each word. So maybe stop the video, write in your notebook, no looking, and then check. Are you okay? Or do you need to write some more? Please read the numbers when you see them. First, second, what's next? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. You're going to see on 12 as well there that the V from 12, oops, changed to an F. Here we go. 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Goodbye, Y. Hello, I-E-S. Okay, 20 has a Y. Goodbye, Y. Hello, I-E-T-H. This one, you need to practice. Write 20th 5 times. 21st. Now you can see we begin again. At 21, we're going to use the ordinals from before. 21st. What's the next one? 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. Again, we see that the Y from 30 is gone. Goodbye, Y. Hello, I-E-T-H. 30th is one you need to write 5 times, 10 times. Practice 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 31st. I now begin again. 31st, 32nd, 34th. Practice counting in ordinals. So when do we use ordinals? We use them often in English. We use ordinals when we see lineups or when we are in a lineup. Looking at this picture, let's look at this question. How many people are in line? Well, I need to count to answer how many. This is a cardinal number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 people in line. That was a cardinal number. But now we're going to talk about order. We have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And order is important because this lady who is 7th cannot come to the bank machine. She needs to wait in line. This lady is first. Meg is second. Who is third in the lineup? Well, Mike is third. A lineup means all these people are gonna go before this girl. She needs to wait. She is what we call last. She has a long wait. So Mike is third. New question. Who is sixth in the lineup? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Rick. Rick is sixth in the lineup. Who is last in the lineup? Who is last? Sarah is seventh. She is last. There are no other people behind Sarah. She is the last person in line. We use ordinals in competition. Think about the Olympics. I love the Olympics. I like to see who will be in first place. First place is the gold medal. Second place is a silver medal. And third place, is a bronze medal. Who will win? Who gets first place? Who gets second place? Who gets third place? Again, in a competition, we might look at a race. We're wondering who comes first, second, or third. Who is first in this picture? A is first. Who is second? E is second. And who is third? D is third. So, who is in first place? A is in first place. Who is last? C is last. And who is third? D is in third place. Sometimes we wonder which team is in first place. Which team is in first place? There are big competitions, World Cup soccer. Very exciting to see which country will be first. We use ordinals in the elevator. Which floor? 6th floor, please. We use ordinals in an apartment building. What floor do you live on? Oh, I live on 3rd floor. Many years ago, I lived in an apartment on the 22nd floor. I could see for a long ways. It was beautiful. We use ordinals at home. Where is your bathroom? Oh, it's upstairs on the 2nd floor. Where is your bathroom? It's upstairs on the 2nd floor. We use ordinals with streets and avenues, with addresses. Where is Solomon College? It's on the corner of 100th Avenue and 107th Street. 100th Avenue and 107th Street. Often use ordinals in an address. We use ordinals with instructions. Instructions are how to. They tell us how to do something. This is an example of how to shop online. Before we have learned the instructions, how to wash your hands, how to go to the bank. How? And we begin always with an ordinal. First, this should have a st. First, go to the website. Second, choose the item. Third, pay with your credit card. Fourth, wait for delivery. Fifth, sign for the package. And sixth, open your package. This young man looks like he got a new backpack, even though here he's shopping for a t-shirt. Oh well. We use ordinals for instructions, and instructions tell you what to do or how to do something. We use ordinals at school. First, sanitize your hands. Clean your hands. Second, come into the classroom. First, sanitize your hands. Second, come into the classroom. We use ordinals with schedules. A schedule tells you what time you will do something. Okay? Our first class is at 9 a.m. It is reading class. Second class is at 10 a.m. It is math class. Third class, 11 a.m., is history. Then there is a break. Fourth class, 1 p.m., science. And the fifth class of the day is Spanish at 2 p.m. If I count the classes, there are 5 classes. The first class is reading. The second class is math. The third class is history. What is the fourth class? The fourth class is science. And what is the fifth class? Spanish. The fifth class is also the last class. Spanish is the last class of the day. Let's look at some questions. How many classes do you have? How many classes do you have? The answer is 5. We're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes. I have 5 classes. What is the fourth class? Science. The fourth class at 1 p.m. is science. What's the first class? The first class is reading. What's the last class? Spanish. Spanish is the last class. We use ordinals in the week. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. We use ordinals when we talk about dates and the calendar. My appointment is September 11th at 3 p.m. What this means is my appointment is the 11th day of September. So September begins here on Tuesday, and this is the 11th day. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. Okay, I cannot take day 23 and move it here. I cannot have my calendar looking like 23rd day, first day, 29th day, second day. No, no, no. We always have a first day, a second day, things like that. We use ordinals, again, with the calendar. My vacation is July 17th through July 23rd. July 17th through July 23rd. Right now, we will have online classes beginning November 16th, today, through November 27th. I hope. We will see if we can go back to school or not. Your homework. You have some instructions. First, please write. Oh, my pen's not working. Please write the answers on your paper. Okay. When you are finished, take a picture of your writing and put the picture on WhatsApp. First, write the answers on your paper. Second, take a picture of your work. Third, put your picture on WhatsApp. Today in class, there were 10 students. Teacher wants to see 10 pictures of writing. You need to take a picture of your work. Okay? Here are some questions. You can stop the video and write. Please write the following numbers. Stop the video and write. Now there are 10 questions. Please use the numbers on your paper and write the answers to each question. So look at the calendar and write the answer. You'll want to stop the video and write. Number 1. Number 2, stop the video. Write. Please write all the words. So teacher would like you to practice writing all the words. Please write how many Thursdays are in November. Then write your answer. Number 3, what date is the doctor's appointment? Stop the video and write. Number 4, what is on the 2nd and 4th Mondays? What is on the 2nd and 4th Monday? Stop the video and write. Number 5, what day is November 27th? Stop and write. When is the assessment at school? Stop and write. Number 7. Which Saturdays do you go to the supermarket? Stop and write. Number 8. What date do you go to the library? Stop and write. Number 9. How many Sundays are there in November? Stop and write. What is on the first day of the month? Stop and write. That's our lesson for today. I hope you understand ordinals, and I hope you practice counting in ordinals. First, second, third. How high can you count in ordinals? Tomorrow we'll do a little more ordinal practice, and we'll start practicing some banking. That's all for today. Have a great day practicing English. There's one way to learn English. Repeat, repeat, repeat. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.